Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eric from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to Forex Trading Plan on the 2022 April the 21st. All right. So yes, and yep, right now, yes, okay. Over here, yes, yesterday I think we have a very good day. All right, so yes, nevertheless, yesterday's profit have to be erased from our mind and we have to reset. All right, okay, so yeah, quickly let's go into our MT4, please. Okay, yes, that's good. Thank you so much. All right, so yeah, over here. Okay, so let's take a look. What do we have for today, right? Hi, Fam, CK, Trinette, Bradley, Aiden, Hubert, Flora, Florence. Oh, sister of Flora. Okay. All right, thank you so much. Okay, so if you're new here, remember to click on the like, subscribe, and ring up the bell to stay updated with my YouTube channel, right? Okay, so yes, over here. Yes, Riano, right? Okay, I will come to that. Okay, so yes, let's take a look. What do we have today for Aussie CAD? Aussie CAD, all right, Aussie CAD over here. We actually right now, okay, let's if we're having taking a look at this, okay, tentatively by if we are looking at all this, what is this now? Aussie CAD, okay. Aussie CAD over here, okay. Aussie CAD over here, right now, okay, like over here, if we can see, okay, right here, if we can see, okay. So tentatively, okay, we are looking at the, it's a bear trend or a bull trend over here, It's a bear trend or bull trend, okay. So let me take a look, okay. All right, so right now we are into the bear trend, am I right? Okay, so over here, as we can see, this bear trend over here, we are out of the bear zone and now we are going to the bear market. So yesterday, it has a retracement, am I right? It has a retracement. So in the retracement, we are actually having these rejections. Okay, we have a rejections over here from sorry, just give me a while. Cannot see me here. Okay, I hope the rest can see me here. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's up. All right. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm so sorry for the technical glitch here. Okay, so okay, over here, let's take a look. Okay, so in this Aussie CAD, yesterday we have a retracement. The retracement actually after the retracing, we have a rejections back into the resisted area, and today we are going for a selling. Yes, so this is what I meant by is in the bear trend. However, there will be time that we are unable to sell because it's having a retracement. So I do not want to experience roller coaster. So that's why I avoid trading. Okay, so now we are back into the bear trend. So can we start selling now? I would say yes. All right. So now we can start selling, and this is we are trading with the trend. So Aussie CAD definitely straight away. I will be putting this into my watch list. All right. So yeah. Okay. So watch this, and we are going to sell Aussie CAD today. So support has no change. So right now, like we have about 20 pips to the support and to see whether you can break the support. Am I right? All right. So over here, the resistance is actually, we are actually quite near to the resistance now. All right. So let's allow it to retest the resistance once again. Okay. So over here, okay, let's allow it to retest the resistance. Then if it's not breaking, okay, then with over here with a new resistance to create a new cycle to sell, then we will start selling from this area to the support area, which is about 30 pips to go. Right, I guess Aussie CAD today we can really keep a focus on that. Okay, all right. So Aussie franc, let's take a look at Aussie franc. All right, Aussie franc right now, Aussie franc is still on the bull. So Aussie franc is still on the bull run. So I guess probably we have to give this a miss because it's also very near to the resistance. All right. So yeah, let's go. Okay, to Aussie yen. Aussie yen continue the bull run. All right, it's still riding on the wave to go for a bull. So tentatively, by looking at these buyers, you can continue to buy, but the seller, we have to stay away. All right. Okay, so how about Aussie Kiwi? Aussie Kiwi. All right, Aussie Kiwi. Yes, Aussie Kiwi over here. Aussie Kiwi. I guess it's almost time, but it's not there yet. So we have to stay away for both the buyer and seller as well. All right. So tentatively, in this investment market, there are certain point of time as a retail trader, I will always keep a lookout. Where is the point that I will aim and I will strike and I will stay away. Okay. So this is something Aussie Kiwi. I'm going to aim. Okay, but it's not the time to strike. Okay, so it's not the time to strike. Yes. So I will keep a lookout for this. All right. So Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. Well, I think Aussie dollar is pretty good because by looking at this Aussie dollar, all right, Aussie dollar over here, okay, it is in the bear, but same thing, it is a retracement. So by looking at this retracement, the whole trend, it seems like from the bull is going on the higher support. Am I right? A higher support right now may be creating a higher high, but bear this in mind that this is in the bear trend. So very likely, I will be looking at things like over this area of resistance. Okay, so let's take a look. Am I right? Yes. Okay, so this is the resistance over here, as you can see here from here. Okay, so this is the resistance that I'm looking at. So I will allow this Aussie dollar to go further up first. Okay, before I start selling. The support will stay the same. Okay, support, no, slightly up here. There's a new support here. So after testing this resistance, if it's not breaking, then we have a good chance to sell. All right. So tentatively, by looking at this, is on the retracement. So I will not touch this Aussie dollar yet. All right. I think it will take some time. Okay, it will take some time. Okay. So next to go, Aussie dollar. Yeah, second half of the day. Yes, Hubert, you're right. Okay. So second half of the day stand a very good chance. All right. Okay. How about Euro Aussie? Euro Aussie. Yesterday a good day as well. Okay. So but it's in the bull zone, which is the zone that I wouldn't want to trade. Okay, so no, I won't feel a PT. Even yesterday, it has a selling trend. Okay, but I won't feel a PT over here. Okay, because I want to avoid risk in trading as a retail trader. Avoiding risk is very important. Okay. So you must know when to enter and when to avoid the risk. So that will actually give you a very clear picture where to start and where to stop. Okay. So over here for Euro Aussie, we are very near to break out of the bull zone, so that we can continue the bear. So as we can see, it's very clear that this area of support, all right, is this area of support. So once it breaks the support over here, we are out of the bull zone, we continue the bear. So if we actually minimize this chart here, you can see the bull zone here, right? So it actually broke once and came back hovering around the bull zone. So can you see the bull zone? So there's a lot of turbulence here. Of course, the turbulence with a big space, of course, 100 over pips. Probably you may be thinking that, okay, this is the chance that I can actually grab some. But you never know what's next, you see. So better be safe than sorry. So I will choose not to unless it breaks through the support for Euro Aussie. Okay, that's the purpose. Okay, so when you are trading, it's very important that you must know. Okay, all right. So what about EURCAD? So Euro Aussie, wait for it to break through the support, and with a new resistance below, okay, then we will start selling. Okay, so probably that will also be the second half of the day. Okay, very likely, I don't know. All right. Okay, so next to go, EURCAD over here. EURCAD continue the selling. All right, so EURCAD continue the selling, which is it looks pretty good. EURCAD today. Okay, so over here, but the thing is that we are still on the support area. we are still on the support area here. So right now, by looking at this, okay, EURCAD, I would prefer for it. I would prefer that it will break the support level. Okay, let's wait for it to break the support level. If it break the support level, what's next? With a new resistance below the support level, then I will continue the selling. All right. Okay. So this is for EURCAD. EURCAD looks pretty good today. Okay, honestly. Okay, so I would say that today, I guess it's because of yesterday. Okay, the announcement. So I guess probably we stand a good chance for EURCAD as well. But again, is that when we want to sell EURCAD, make sure that it is below the support level. Okay, it must be below the support level. All right. Okay, so EURCAD. I'm gonna put this EURCAD into my list. Okay, but they're bound to have some retracement along the way. So the EURCAD, if there's any retracement, this shall be the resistance level. Okay, this shall be the resistance level over here. So the resistance level over at this point, now if it went up, touches without breaking, then we can start to sell because we still have about 20 over pips to go, about near to 30. All right, so capture within that area. Okay. So as usual, I'm going to skip Euro Pound. Okay, Euro Pound. Well, okay. So Euro Yen. Okay, we are still riding on the wave to the moon. Okay, so tentatively it's still good for buying, no for selling. Okay, but it's almost time. No, almost time. Let's see. No, I guess we still have a long way to go. Okay, we still have a long way to go, huh? Okay, so buyers can take note, but not now. Okay, right? So we can buyers can take note about this. Okay, because of the resistance up here, as you can see here, is very clear that we are left with about 48 pips, and it may have a sign of retracement. So just be careful. All right. So seller for us, Euro Yen, just stay away. Okay. Right. Okay, so Euro Kiwi. Let's take a look at Euro Kiwi. So Euro Kiwi today, Euro Kiwi, we are still in the bear. So right now the bear has ran. Okay, this is a very good classic example. All right, the bear has ran. Okay, and over here, all right, over here, it started to retest and retest for a lower low. For lower low. Okay, so now this lower low, it has a struggling stage over here, right? A struggling stage over here. Okay, so right now, okay, this is the spot. Okay, this is a spot whereby it's actually retracing upwards and as in a transition to become a bull, right? But again, is that where is the bull zone for me where I set? It's still right below. Okay, although yes, it's still right below. However, it may change. But if you're looking at this right now, you can see that it's a very harsh selling. Then continue the lower selling and lower selling. But then you can see the selling volume started to decrease. From here to here is a big space. From here to here, getting smaller, and here to here getting smaller. So it's a sign. It's a sign of the selling volume is actually decreasing. Okay, so whether it may be decreasing during this period, okay, but it may increase on the other segment. But however, we don't know what's happened ahead of us, so we can only read what has already happened. Correct. So just be careful with this Euro Kiwi. It is still in the bear. It is still in the bear zone. All right, it's still in the bear zone. Okay, so let's take a look. Do we stand a chance to sell today? Okay, so support over here, it is all right. Yeah, if you can see this support, okay, this support has been tested for a few rounds. The resistance, tentatively, the resistance was here after one resistance, retest, and came down, rejected here. Okay, so it's very obvious the resistance level remains the same, is still here. Okay, all right. So for Euro Kiwi, although it's in the bear, we have our 30 pips to go before we hit on the support level. So I will prefer that, again, how many pips? 30 over pips. Okay, 30 over pips. So if we happen to find a new cycle, like this example, this is a new cycle. Okay, this is a new cycle to sell. Okay, so if there's another one that is similar to this and lower than this, nearer to the support, that will be a good one. Okay, that will be a good one to show that you're going to break the support level. Okay, so Euro Kiwi, I'm going to put this into my list. So later we can take a look if there's any chance for us to sell. All right, Sawadee krap, Gong Sip. Clarify more on AUDCAD, huh? Okay. What are we looking for where we see no change in support? Okay, right. So I come back to this AUDCAD later on, huh? Okay, at the end of this analysis. Okay, so over here in euro dollar, over here, downward trend, but again, as you can see, it's a trending with a lower low and now a lower low, but stop again. So will there be a chance that another lower low will be coming again? All right. So there may be a chance. But taking a look, same thing from this side, the selling volume, right? It was like almost 600 pips, and now coming here was like another about 350 pips. Is getting smaller. Am I right? Okay. However, it is still in the bear. All right. It is still in the bear. So in this way, we are looking for a selling opportunity. Okay. So where is the selling opportunity that we are looking out for? First of all, in day one, I determine my trend. Then now I'm looking out for selling. In day one is a good time frame to set my mind that I only want to sell. Okay, so now let's see. This is the time to sell. Okay, so well, touches. The most touches here, it shows a very strong resistance where it's pushing down for a lower low. This resistance definitely is there, right? So it will create another resistance. Okay, it will create another resistance which is maybe lower, okay, like this, but it has break, and a resistance like this, it has break. That means to say there's so from the support, as you can see, this support here, can you see a little tiny one? Okay, let me zoom in and see. Let's see over here, this one. Okay, this is the one that I'm talking about. Okay, this is the one, right? Touches, it has retested here. Okay, retested here. But after we tested over here, it didn't break. Instead, it started to build a higher support, and the support has started to move, correct? So right now, as you can see, we are actually moving up towards the support level. From the support level to the resistance level of this over here. Okay, this area of resistance, as you can see. Okay. Then again, it has already started a buying trend. All right, it has already started a buying trend. So in this case, these are the one that actually we're looking out for quite a small resistance over here. So this resistance, when you hit on the resistance, the resistance over. Okay, so you can see it may have a retracement, but it may not be a lot. Okay, it may not be a good selling one. So for euro dollar, I will be looking out for resistance over here like this. Okay, this area of resistance. Can you see this area of resistance? Okay, this area of resistance. This is much more concrete for me, as you can see. Okay, if I zoom out, if you can see, this is much clearer. Can you see the resistance actually formed up here, and the next one here, then the next one here, it tested a few times, but it got rejected. So very obvious, from the support, it has built up a higher support. Higher support is on the buying trend now. So buying trend to break all the resistance. So currently from this area, from the current price to this about 60 pips, we have no resistance. I would say no strong resistance until after the 60 pips here. So the price will be about 1.09114. Okay, so this is where I'm looking out for the resistance, which is going to be the stronger one. So currently euro dollar, although it is in the air, but it may be a very big retracement today, so I'd rather stay away. Okay, all right. After explaining a lot, but I tell you I'm going to stay away. Will you be disappointed? Okay. Well, anyway, some classic example that we can see very clearly during the analysis stage that we can learn at the same time. I will share more. All right. I hope you like it. All right. Give me a smash a like button for me. All right. Okay. So let's move on again to Pound Aussie. All right. Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie over here. Right. Pound Aussie over here. Pound Aussie. We have actually experienced the testing of the bull market. Okay, testing the bull zone. Okay, it's testing on the bull zone now, and by looking at it, testing on the bull zone over here, what does it mean? Well, it means that immediately I will go into the bull. No, it may not be. Right, it's just that it hits on the stronger support. Now it's going up again. So by going up, okay, freely from the support, higher support, and today maybe creating a higher support. So are we still in the bear zone? We are in the transition zone. From the bear going to become the bull. All right. So we are. Let's take a look. Okay. Remember today what I say. It may become the bull. All right. So if it really become the bull, then you will know how I read this. That there's a reversal or it's a retracement. Okay. Okay, so looking at H4. Looking at H4, it's very clear that we can tell from the bull zone, it has set up a higher support and now another level of higher support, correct? So if this higher support, if it's not going to break, right, now it looks like it's coming back to retest this, coming down to retest a few times, correct? For the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 hours ago, all right, about 20 hours ago. So it's like, it has been testing so many rounds, but it didn't break. So will it become a higher support? And now it's still showing that it's coming for a retesting. It's still showing that it's a retesting over here. So currently, it's still showing a retesting. Then looks like we still have a chance to go for about 30 pips to sell. Okay, so I would say that we have a sign of retesting. Okay, if it's about there to sell, I would prefer to wait. Okay, I would prefer to wait. Okay, what am I going to wait for? Okay, I'm waiting for this to break the support to confirm that it's coming back for the retesting, because right now it's still forming up a retesting. So it has not confirmed that it will start to retest down. So I'm not sure. This is the stage that is also quite unpredictable, right? So I will stay away first. All right. But Pound Aussie, yes, we are still going for a forming up of the retesting. So we may have a chance after it breaks the support level. Okay. So since this one is to me, it's about standing at 60-40 chance. Okay. So I'm going to stay away first. Okay. Quickly go into PoundCAD. PoundCAD over here. By looking at PoundCAD, yes, good. We are now still in the bear zone. Like I said, like over here, going up and coming back to retest the support. Once again, PoundCAD, where's my bull zone? Right below. Can you see? So when it comes to this zone, I wouldn't say that it's going to be a bull, because I still see that there's plenty of chance, high chance we have still 250 pips to go. So over here, look out for, since we are looking out for a selling trend today, okay, for PoundCAD, we're still looking out for a selling. Then in that case, I'm going to look out for where is my support and my resistance level. Okay, so over here, support, very clear that we are now hitting out on the support. So another resistance level. Okay, resistance level. Okay, over here. So one point here that we can pay attention to is the resistance area, forming up a higher support, tested once, and now over here tested twice and then rejected. So this will become the resistance area. Wow, it's pretty low. Okay, we have 24 pips of space. So for PoundCAD, if we want to sell, yes, we can sell when because right now we're on the support, am I right? Okay, it's very clear when we move lower to the lower time frame. So I will wait. I will wait for it to retrace upwards to retest the resistance again. Then I will start selling. Alternatively, if it breaks the support here with a new resistance below, okay, a new resistance means a red candle come again, or maybe a green candle go up and touch the support. When it closed below the support. Okay, then a new resistance candle coming, then we will have a chance to sell. Okay, so yeah, just pay attention to this. So EURCAD, well, EURCAD I will say that pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to put this into my watch list. How about EURFRANC? Very, very obvious. So we are on the support right now. Tested, and retest, but it failed and it started to retrace upwards. Correct? For past 1 week already. So let's see. Buyers can continue to buy after it breaks the resistance level up here. Okay. So after it breaks, retest the resistance, become a support. When it form up a buying, then you continue to buy. Okay, so other than that, no, huh? Sellers, no way. Now, Pound Yen, we are still riding on we are still having a ride to the moon. So still going to buy. Okay, there's a retracement coming down. Oh yeah, there's a retracement. Yesterday it had dropped so much. Wow, 180 pips. Sorry. Okay. So does that matter? It does not matter, because yesterday is actually an announcement, news impacts that causes this, and today they are going to erase the losses and coming back to go for a higher high. So because we are still in the bull trend, whether it will change to the bear, we do not know. But by looking at this, you can see, alright, with this aqua line, okay, candle are moving above the aqua line, and also the white line, it is still respecting the support movement. So over here, I would say that it is still not really a very good one to sell. So stay away first. Okay. All right. So how about Pound Kiwi? Pound Kiwi, we actually have a bear coming down for lower, low, and here. Tested once on the bull zone, but it hasn't gone into the bull zone yet. So, but it retraced upwards for a higher support today. I think it's very obvious when we look at H4. Okay, look at this H4. So as you can see here, all right, higher support, okay, higher support, and higher support. So today, by looking at this zoom in, you can see this higher support is a trend. It's a trend of a changing, okay, or it's a buying trend. It's a sign of buying trend to break any resistance. So currently, by looking at this part here, okay, this part is very crucial. Higher support, and now the higher support was here, then it started to break through, but it doesn't go further down. Okay, so now it has been still over here, still supported, and now when it's still supported over here, okay, does that mean that it will start to sell? No, I will say that it will continue the buy. All right, if there's a chance to sell, it's because when it start to break below the support area here. Okay, it start to break below the support area over here. So there's a resistance that we can take a look over here. There's a resistance area. Okay, the resistance here, creating a new resistance, a lower resistance here. Okay, so this is also a sign. This is also a sign that from the top, lower resistance, and now lower resistance. As a whole, you can see this is a head and shoulder. So if this head and shoulder able to break this support here, that means to say, good to sell. All right. So Pound Kiwi, if we want to sell, make sure it breaks the support over here. Make sure it breaks the support over here. Okay. So just take note. Okay. I think if we can put this Pound Kiwi, all right, this Pound Kiwi into my list for monitoring. Okay, because I guess today within these 2 days, Kiwi there will be some action. Okay, so yep, so just pay attention to that. All right, how about pound dollar? Okay, I think pound dollar we are in the bear, running the bear trend. But once again, pound dollar, one with support, retested and retested. Well, looks good and bad. Why? Because after retesting the support level for so many times, okay, over the period of more than a month, so right now it seems that the support is pretty strong. But looking at the downward trend over here, the selling off trend over here, with this resistance, we're creating a lower resistance, and now it seems like another lower resistance over here. Okay, so let's see. Do we have a chance? Okay, so there's an overview that we are going to see. Right now, as you can see, it has supported and now retracing upwards. So what does that mean again? Okay, it's going to it's not going to be a retesting at this moment. Perhaps tomorrow, perhaps the day after, but today, looking at this, is actually following the trend from the support. Okay, so I'd rather give this a miss today. All right, so no for this. Okay, all right. So how about dollar CAD? Yes, dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, for the past 2 days, we have been monitoring it, and we want to see this dollar CAD, okay, catching up. So over here, by looking at this, we are now into the bear trend. We are in the bear trend. Okay, we are still in the bear trend, right? We are still in the bear trend. So let's take a look. This bear trend. Where's the support and resistance for us to sell? The bear trend actually comes along with so many support here. Well, we are on the support, tested again, and now we are on the retesting of the support once again. So dollar CAD, yeah, we have been selling for the past 2 days. I know. Okay, so but then again, today is going to be another day to sell off. Just be careful. Okay, just be careful. You may have a chance, but we are on the support. So I would prefer that right now. Okay, if we are going to sell, make sure you break the support, forming up a new resistance below. Okay, form up a new resistance below, then we sell. Okay, if not, it's gonna be very tough. Okay, because of the yesterday a big selling off from dollar CAD, and today they may be making a return. Okay, so just be very careful with them. Yeah, dollar CAD, dollar is selling. Wow, so I guess this is a good time to sell off all the dollar. Yesterday, somebody was telling me, okay, dollar CAD is dropping into the deep sea, and so dollar franc will be the same because dollar is as a base currency. Well, the theory, it works in certain way, like I always mention, but certain ways that it may not. Okay, so as you can see, dollar CAD was selling harshly yesterday, but dollar franc is not. Dollar franc is not. Okay, so as you can see, it's very obvious. Am I right? Okay, so over here, dollar franc is still on the bull run, so buyers can still take note, but seller, please stay. Okay, seller, please stay. All right. Okay, next to go, dollar yen. Dollar yen. Okay, so dollar yen, we are still on the bull. So right now there are some selling off here. I think 100 over pips here. Okay, 160 pips right there about. And wow, yesterday there's somebody was telling me, hey Eric, you see, I'm going to sell this Aussie yen. Wow, it's going to become the bear. Well, no, it is still in the bull. As you can see, it is still all the candles are having a higher support, respecting my white line, which is my trader's line, telling me where is the support movement, and they are still respecting the support movement. It is not coming down at all. So it's still it is still riding to the wave to the moon. So currently, by looking at this, no. Okay, so dollar yen, I still stayed away from selling, but buying, I can still continue. Okay, so how about Bitcoin? All right, Bitcoin, and right now over here, okay, so we are still making our way to 43, and yesterday, as we can see, we are already on the 42. Correct, this is the we are already on the 41 or 42. Okay, 42,157. Right, 42,157, thereabout, huh? Okay, so I guess that's also a good one, but some retracement, okay, after the announcement from the news impact. So I guess today we are still making our way there. Okay, so just be patient. All right, you are still holding it, huh, Riano? Okay, good, good, good. Okay, all right. So yes, that's all for today on the Bitcoin. Let's come back. Let's come back to 共识. Okay, 共识. Are you there? All right. So Aussie Cat, Aussie Cat. The question here posted was what are we looking for when we see no change in support level? Okay, what are we looking for when we see no change level? Okay, let's see. So Aussie Cat, we are in the bear. So look out for where's the resistance level. All right. So this is the resistance level. Okay, over here. All right. All right, you are here, huh? That's good. So this is the support. Okay, let me leave it up here first. So as you can see, right. So there's over here. Can you see the area of support here? All right, on this on the left side, support, support, support. It has been tested, 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 break. Correct. Finally breaks. So over here, if you look carefully, the support area, this is the whole support area. Okay, there's a whole support area here. All right. So yeah, right now over here, as you can see, this is the support area. So this support area, the support here, tested, 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 correct? So it breaks. So it breaks over here. That's what I meant by every time when I say break the support with a new resistance. Okay, so now it breaks the support. Let me zoom in again. So now it breaks the support. Now it's coming back. Now it is coming back to test the support and break out. Okay, but if it cannot break the support to go up, okay, then it will form a new resistance, okay, below the support area. Then previous support tested and it's not breaking, then become a resistance. So this will become a resistance over here. Okay, this will become a resistance over here. So over here, when it become a resistance, all right, let me move the support lower and move the resistance level over here. So then you will see clearer. So over here, this is where the support, the previous support breaks, that which become the resistance. And this is where you should be looking out for in this area to sell. Okay, so this is the area to sell. So where's the next support? Okay, the next support over here, right over here. So the support is here. So we have about 20 over pips to go. Okay, we have about 24 to 25 pips to go. Right. So over here for Aussie CAD, this is the area that I'm looking out for. When it go up, retest the resistance. If it's not breaking and form a new resistance below, then it will start to sell, trying to break the support. Alternatively, you can wait for it to break the support. The next round, okay, then with a new resistance again, then you can start selling. So you have two. One, now, like this, if it's not breaking the resistance, then you start to sell. You have about 25 pips go. So grab the profit within this area. So after that, if there's another one coming, okay, then you go for another round. All right. Okay, so that's what I meant by Aussie CAD, for Aussie CAD. Okay, so Aussie CAD looks good, but right at this hour is still retracing upwards. So be very patient. Anyways, in the bear trend. Okay, so yep, let's take a look. Okay, that's good if you get it. Okay, what are we going to focus today over here? All right. Okay, we're going to focus on Aussie CAD. Right, we are going to focus on Aussie CAD. Okay. And also we are going to focus on EURCAD, EUROKiwi, and POWCAD, and also POWKiwi. Okay. So looks like what we are going to focus is also quite obvious, right? Okay. We have these groups of currency. All right. So I think today is a good day. So just focus on all these, all right? So I believe you will definitely get some profits out there. Huh? Okay. Okay, so that's all for me today. Right. So this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I shall wish you good luck with bountiful profit and see you tomorrow again. Right. Good day, everybody. Happy trading. See you.